In this BigCRM video guide, I'll demonstrate how to set up rules on your ticket manager. On BigCRM, a rule can automatically assign all incoming tickets to agents and views and change ticket status based on the condition you set. To set up a rule, go to Rule under the Tickets tab and click Create Your First Rule. On the Rule Creation page, you need to name the rule first. You then must select at least one channel on the Step 1 condition for your rule to apply. You can select multiple conditions to define your rule. Step 2 actions requires you to select at least one view or agent for the rule to assign. Simply click the Add icon to add a view or agent. The ticket status can also be altered once a ticket has been automatically assigned by a rule. You can set the status by choosing a status in the drop-down menu. Save the rule once you are done. You can switch the rule from active to inactive or vice versa. If you have multiple rules, you can drag rules to specify the order in which they should apply. This concludes the video on how to set up rules on Ticket Manager. If you require assistance in setting up rules, please contact BQool support on our live chat. Alternatively, you could email us at support@bqool.com for further assistance.